And lights, camera, action mein, I'd love to introduce you to our first guest, who happens to be my childhood friend's elder sister. And I just randomly found out, wo makeup room ke andar jaisi ghusi, I looked at her face and I'm like, oh my God, you're Sara's sister. Welcome to the show, Aisha.
Thank you so much, Rita.
How are you doing? So good to see you.
It's lovely seeing you.
Amazing. And I like how you're in, character as well.
I mean, because, I'm somebody who needs comfort also.
Oh,
so, that's also very important. I mean, we have to look good, but we have to be comfortable at the same time.
Stylish as well. In fact, guys, I compliment kari thi. I love the lip color you're wearing.
Thank you.
And we started talking about how hamari naniyan or dadiyan pehnti thi browns, which is the reason why I'm wearing a brown today. And I usually brown nahi pehnti. But I was like, why not? Let's today make very glamorous.
Yeah.
अच्छा आयशा, हम आपसे specifically आज बात करेंगे दुबई ब्लिंक के बारे में. हम लोगों ने बहुत ज़्यादा already discussions की हुई हैं about this. So you've seen the show, right?
Yes, I have.
What do you think of the show?
I think the show is great. I mean, other than fashion and all the luxury, I feel that these women like Mona Kattan and Zaina and Dania. I mean, they're running their businesses and how they're handling their lives. I think that's just great. Especially, I feel I really admire this character Farhana. Because she's a single mom and her child is on spectrum, and how she is dealing with all the drama.
And her ex-husband isn't very easygoing as well.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, he pretends like he's okay with giving her space. Did he really cheat on her? I wonder.
Yeah, I really don't know. But like the way,
just not show kar rahe.
Just show kar rahe, and I'm sure it won't be easy.
It won't be.
But hats off to that woman.
You know what's funny is लोगों को actually ये शायद थोड़ा सा strange भी लगे कि when I was actually in Dubai, तो हम लोगों के काफी blogger events होते थे, तो Farhana used to be walking those events with me, and at that time Farhana was a lot less over the top. ये तो अब वक्त के साथ साथ फरहाना has changed a lot. अगर actually आप फरहाना को off air भी देखें किसी event पे, तो very ordinary looking face.
I also feel that Dubai has changed a lot, in past 10, 12, 13 years.
नहीं बहुत ज़्यादा.
It's all about glamour and
fashion.
Fashion,
And Dubai में जब आप वहाँ पे रहते भी हो, and I believe your sister's been there for as long as I had been there also. After a while आप थक जाते हैं.
I absolutely agree with you.
है ना? Okay, तो अभी हम लोग थोड़ा सा दुबई ब्लिंक का, I think पहले अगर हम लोग official trailer भी देख लें, and then we can perhaps discuss it, or we can directly go to the different makeup trends. Let's talk about a couple of images that we have on our screen, right? We can talk about those as well, or you can start with one of the looks you like. Fashion-wise, सबसे ज़्यादा किसको?
So, I really like Zaina. Because she's really sophisticated, and I love the power shoulders and the suits.
Yeah.
So, I mean, that's my personal...
And Zaina's liked by people also.
Yeah. Also, I feel her makeup looks, they're really not over the top. I mean, that's my kind of style.
Yeah.
I mean, she looks great, and when need be, she can go all colorful also.
Yeah.
But I like that muted, when you're walking into your office or you're going to work.
Yeah, she looks like a power player.
Yeah.
Totally. And I think वो बड़ा एक ambitious feel लेकर आती है. And आजकल कितनी लड़कियां हैं जो उस character से connect करती हैं. By the way, two of my friends also love Zaina a lot. And I think they do it's because वो एक नई लड़की आजकल की modern औरत को represent करती है. जो कि काम कर रही है.
बिल्कुल.
And by the way, I love blazers as well. And I love the way she carries it.
Yes.
That reminds me, there's another character by the name of Dania.
Yes.
वो भी बहुत eccentric सी है. What do you think about her?
Yes, I think Dania, I think Dania has beautiful eyes.
Yeah.
And her makeup artist, whoever he or she is, I think has done wonderful job.
Wonderful job.
Because, like matte skin, nude lips, and that wing liner. And the makeup artist has played with her eyes beautifully.
और काफी different looks भी होती हैं. So as a makeup artist, do you think matte foundation ages you?
Well, when we have glossy skin, so of course, agar it's going to actually highlight your wrinkles or pigmentation. I mean, it does. Like, आपके flaws ज़्यादा prominent होते हैं. So even when we have a client, what we do is we do, and you know, our clients love shimmer. So we make sure where we have to, you know, have to give that glow. That we have to be very particular. But matte skin, for sure, it helps you with your, you know, skin flaws. I mean, it just hides it very nicely. Well. It's very easy. And of course, वो नजर भी इतना ज़्यादा नहीं आता है. But with the glossy skin, of course, you know, we have to be really careful. You cannot go all glossy everywhere.
वो अच्छा भी नहीं लगता. वो memes भी बने हुए ना कि एक बंदी सुपरमार्केट में जा रही है with glass skin और वो इतनी चमक रही है कि लोगों ने sunglasses पहन ली हैं. Actually memes about glass skin now. हम discuss कर रहे हैं आज दुबई bling की makeup looks and fashion and style and किस तरीके से लड़कियां इतनी fascinate and inspire हो रही हैं to actually recreate these looks. And we have an expert on set with us, Aisha Fahad, और वो हमें actually बता रही हैं कि किस तरीके से clients actually आते हैं and they've asked you to recreate some of these looks. Please tell us.
So, you know, because, you know, Shadi season and a lot of my clients, because I had not watched Dubai Bling by then, you know, so they were like, you know, okay, can we get those nice sparkly eyes like Safa? I was like,
oh my God, I love Safa.
So, yeah, because it was the Shadi season. So I was like, I think, you know, I'm missing out on something. So then I watched Dubai Bling, and of course, you know, when you talk about glossy and glittery, you know, eyes, it's Safa for sure. So
Safa का makeup artist I wonder पता नहीं कौन है, but you know Aisha, there's one look, I don't know if you remember, एक scene के अंदर उसने आंखों के अंदर turquoise है, इधर silver है और फिर turquoise.
Yeah, you know, I think it's such a, I mean, I love colors. But you know, Safa walking into an office or for a tea party like that is a little, you know, maybe it looks great on camera. But हमारा जैसा मौसम है, इतनी गर्मी होती है, you know. So I think these things look beautiful in the night for shadis. They look absolutely gorgeous.
And they look beautiful in AC.
Oh yes, for sure. So you know वो है. But you know, I'm highly not recommended कि अगर आप किसी tea party पे जा रहे हैं and you have these glittery eyes. I mean that's my sense. See, I always say makeup is an art. You can do whatever you want. You can add color also in the daytime also. But you know, I feel if my client comes, I would always advise कि you know नहीं ऐसे होना चाहिए. You know, let's tone it down a bit for an evening.
Okay.
Maybe, but like you know.
So how would you give a shimmery eye to a girl over here who's inspired by Safa?
So how am I going to give that? Well, of course, you know, like there are some beautiful glitters and, you know, that's all. I mean, with that.
For evening high teas and all, you'd give it, right?
You can, of course. You can,
Okay.
But, you know, daytime event, और हमारे यहाँ तो धूप शाम तक रहती है, right? So that, but yeah, I mean, you know, I always say, you know, a girl wants what she wants, right?
She wants.
So we will give the glittery eye, but of course we have to tone it down. But in the night, you can go all out.
All out. You know. And what kind of lip colors have fascinated you within the show itself? Zaina to बहुत nude पहनती है.
Yes.
Safa bhi, I don't think इतने bold पहनती है.
Yeah. So you know, I've seen in one of the looks when eyes were like very basic, maybe with a wing liner or just a thick mascara, they had nice bold maroon lips. Red lips.
And that is the rule.
Yeah.
And that is the makeup rule.
Like, you know, like I said, makeup is an art. There is no rule, like, you know, as in. But, you know, when there are people who come and they say, okay, you know, we want bold eyes and we want to go with a red lip color or like a maroon lip color. But then, you know, keeping in mind what they want and how they're going to look. I mean, I have to, as a makeup artist, I have to make sure that they look nice also.
They look nice also.
And they're comfortable.
Because it's your name in the market there.
Yeah, I mean, you know, some people get away with it, to be honest. I think when you're comfortable, you are confident with your look, I think it just shines.
Acha, so if you had to pick up like palettes, तो दुबई ब्लिंग में हमने न्यूट्रल्स भी देखे, हमने मेटालिक्स भी देखे और हमने अर्दी टोन्स वगैरह भी काफ़ी देखी थी, you know, generally as well. And we've seen pops of colors as well. What is in fashion currently? 2025 में आप क्या trend देख रहे हो?
See, I feel that right now it's all about skin.
Skin.
Like I feel that, you know, when my client comes in, पहले client आते थे, they used to say, oh, you know, we want bold eyes, we want this, that. They used to be very specific. But now when they walk in, they say, you know, make sure that my skin looks good.
Skin looks good.
And I think it's maybe because of the aesthetic now coming in so much.
Yeah, and what do you feel about these aesthetic treatments as well? अभी जोआना की तस्वीर आ रही है actually, and जोआना का तो लगता है उसने शक्ल कहीं और से खरीदी है और अपने मुंह पे लगा ली है.
Yes.
हर चीज उसने कराई हुई है मुंह पे.
बिल्कुल. I think it's just.
What do you feel about that?
See, is like again, like I said, if Joanna is confident, which she is.
She really is.
Yeah, so great. Like, you know, but I feel it's, I mean, if you want to get whatever aesthetic treatment, that's okay. But I feel that I think women have become so conscious. I mean, I always say, you know, don't change your features. You should look good.
Good, yeah.
Like, you know, your skin should shine, looks nice, should look nice. If any issues like pigmentation, hair, acne scars, and whatever, we have great dermatologists.
So for acne treatments, I think mostly यहाँ Karachi में तो लड़कियों को. Do you do aesthetic stuff as well?
No, we don't.
We don't.
We have facials and all. Okay. And
what facial would you recommend, Aisha, from one of the things that you do, जिससे लड़कियों को वो अच्छी glass skin type feeling मिल सकती है? What can girls do, from your expert opinion, to make their skins look?
For a glass skin, we would recommend अगर उनको उतनी flawless चाहिए, so it's definitely a peeling facial. Yeah. But honestly speaking, because it's a salon, I am not a doctor, not a certified doctor, so I can help my client to a certain extent when it comes to like hair fall or skin. And then after that, I recommend that you go to a dermatologist. Nowadays, a lot of salons, they have aesthetics. And I always tell my clients to go to a doctor. I mean, you know, अगर कोई salon doctor है, I mean, that's fine. But, you know, salon का काम एक हद तक होता है. Then it goes to a dermatologist. I mean, you know.
Yeah, of course. But these facials do help, right? आपको eventually वो वाली feeling तो दे देते.
Oh, yes.
And what would you recommend for girls who have dark circles or something like that? Do we have specific treatments for these areas as well?
Yes, we do. For eyes, we do. We do have, you know, these serums and creams for eyes also. Yeah. And yes, we're able to help them. They don't have to go to a dermatologist. But, you know, when we feel कि नहीं, it's time that, you know, if it's not working और अगर हल्का सा फर्क पड़ा और इतना ही as a beauty salon I can help her, then I would advise her.
लड़कियाँ यहाँ पे अक्सर फाउंडेशंस थोड़ी हल्के कलर की भी यूज़ करती हैं बिकॉज उनको एंड काफ़ी मेकअप आर्टिस्ट भी ये बोलते हैं वो इसीलिए बोलते हैं कि ताकि वो ज़्यादा अट्रैक्टिव लगती है. What's your take on that?
So, Richa, what happens is that when a client comes to me and if she wants a lighter skin tone, lighter than her skin tone, so I mean, as a makeup artist, I think makeup artists कर सकते हैं. Yeah. But and there is a way of doing it. So, but most of the time, what happens is कि अगर वो lighter foundation अपने लिए ले आते हैं, फिर वो उसके बाद it starts to get grey on your skin.
Of course.
I mean, you must have seen people.
Yes.
उनकी जो that means उनका skin color नहीं है.
नहीं है.
So lighter किया जा सकता है, but then there is a way
to do it. And कुछ लोग dark भी करते हैं, because वो कहते हैं कि एक औरत में generally सांवली होती है तो कशिश ज़्यादा होती है.
I mean,
I've heard this so much.
Yeah.
Is it true?
Yeah. I mean, you know, dusky skin does look beautiful, of course. Yeah. Like, you know, like I mentioned, you know, I think Dania and Farhana. I think their makeup, I mean, it just looks so beautiful.
It looks, Dania का जो भी makeup artist है बहुत ही eccentric तरीके से basically.
Yes.